In modern workplaces, cultivating self-organizing teams is paramount. For fostering innovation, maximizing productivity, and nurturing continuous learning. Empowering team members to take ownership, collaborate effectively, and share knowledge forms the cornerstone of achieving collective success. Autonomy and initiative. Consider a marketing team adopting Agile methodologies. Daily stand-ups empower members to autonomously prioritize tasks based on immediate project needs. This approach instills a sense of responsibility and adaptability, enabling quick adjustments in response to changing requirements. Cross-functional collaboration. In a design agency, employees periodically rotate roles across departments. A designer might shadow a content strategist to understand narrative elements, while a writer spends time with the development team to grasp technical aspects. This cross-pollination of skills fosters a deeper understanding of diverse project facets and enhances overall team adaptability. Mentoring tacit knowledge. An experienced project lead mentors a new team member, not just in technical tools but in nuanced decision-making processes. This transfer of tacit knowledge accelerates the learning curve, equipping individuals to handle intricate project challenges with more confidence. Servant leadership approach. A team leader adopts a servant leadership style by prioritizing team members' growth. Encouraging autonomy and providing guidance, they create an inclusive environment where diverse opinions are valued, fostering a culture of trust and empowerment. Seamless knowledge transfer during team transitions. Structured job shadowing and coaching sessions facilitate the transfer of expertise. This ensures a smooth integration of new members, preserving valuable insights and minimizing disruption to ongoing projects. In essence, cultivating self-organizing teams promotes a culture of autonomy, continuous learning, and shared responsibility. Are you seeking to elevate your business in today's digital world? At Gotocertify, we specialize in aligning your technology with your business goals, ensuring seamless integration and optimization. Based in London, we're experts in IT strategy, Agile coaching, and stakeholder management, driving operational excellence with Lean Six Sigma and PMO implementation. Empower your workforce through tailored training programs. Witness substantial cost savings and efficiency gains. Partner with us to unlock your company's true potential. Contact Gotocertify today. Visit www.goto-certify.com or email info@goto-certify.com. Gotocertify, driving excellence in IT strategy, PMO implementation, and technology consultancy.